Hello students, welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. The question is, if n is equal to 11 to the power p plus 7 into 7 to the power q minus 2 into 5 to the power r plus 1 into 3 to the power s is a perfect cube where p, q, r and s are positive integers, then the smallest value of p plus q plus r plus s is. Now, since n is perfect cube, then p plus 7 into q minus 2 into r plus 1 and s should be divisible by 3, since 11, 7, 5 and 3 are all prime numbers. Now for smallest sum of p plus q plus r plus s, p is equal to 2, so this becomes 9, q equals 2, so this becomes 0, r is equal to 2 and s is equal to 3. Therefore, p plus q plus r plus s is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 9. The correct option is option E. The next question is, an institute has 5 departments and each department has 50 students. If students are picked up randomly from all 5 departments to form a committee, what should be the minimum number of students in the committee so that at least one department should have representation of minimum 5 students? Now, if we choose maximum 4 students from each department, there will be 20 students. So 21st student will ensure that at least one group has 5 representatives. Therefore, the correct option is option C. The next question is, A, B, C, D and E, F are 3 parallel lines in that order. Let D1 and D2 be the distances from CD to AB and EF respectively. D1 and D2 are integers where D1 is to D2 is equal to 2 is to 1. P is a point on AB, Q and S. AB, Q and S are points on CD and R is a point on EF. If the area of quadrilateral PQRS is 30 square units, what is the value of QR when value of SR is the least? So let us draw the diagram first. So this is AB, this is CD and this is EF. So this distance is 2x and this is x. This is P, Q, R and S. So given area of PQRS is 30 square units. So therefore, half into QS into 2x plus half into QS into x is equal to 30. We have considered these two to be triangles and are calculating the area. So from here we get half into QS into 3x is equal to 30, or QS into x is equal to 20. Now x is minimum when x is equal to 1. Since the ratio of D1 is to D2 is 2 is to 1. Therefore, QS is equal to 20. So now in triangle QRS, QR is equal to root 20 squared plus 1 squared, that is root 401, which is slightly greater than 20 units. So option E.